guys, I'm Naomi and welcome to my channel Draw Design and Decorate. As the name of this channel suggests, this channel is going to feature everything artsy from room makeovers, DIY, painting tutorials and much more. This is also my very first video, so please don't judge me based off of my editing and filming skills. I promise you I'm going to get better and deliver much more better content for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos, and let's get started. So as you can see, this is my little cousin's bedroom. She's about 10 years old, sweet little girl, and the layout of this room is just not functional. There's a lot of things in here which makes it appear a lot crowded than it actually is. So the first thing that I did was actually change the layout of the room. I moved one of the wooden cupboards out of the room just to give more space, and also painted the walls white to make it much more brighter in here. So I decided to go for a pink and white horizontal striped wall as an accent wall. It's not very visible here in the picture, but this is how it ended up looking. I decided to use gold as the accent color in this room, and here I'm painting these contact paper strips with gold spray paint, and I use them to adhere to the wall. Now sticking this to the wall is quite tricky because you don't want any air bubbles getting trapped inside. So you can see me sticking it on the wall and then releasing it again just to make sure that there's no air bubbles and getting it right. The next thing I decided to tackle was this green plastic cupboard. It wasn't really going with the color theme, and so I decided to paint it this pale pink color, which turned out even better than I'd expected. Next up was this desk that you can see. It was already covered in like a black and white veneer, but it wasn't going with the vibe of the room, and so I decided to cover it completely with a marble contact paper. I then just used a scissor to cut off the excess. There wasn't really a place to put a dressing table in the room, so I just bought this drawer off of Amazon and put a mirror above it to make it look sort of like a vanity area for her to put her clips and stuff like that. Here I am sticking some DIY butterflies that I made earlier. A tutorial for these is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And now for the most fun part, let's decorate. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you did like it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to, and be a part of this amazing journey. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.